are going berserk.
Switch on the telescanner. That metal bird destroyed the communication satellite.
You'd better call Space Ghost.
Jace calling Space Ghost. Jace calling Space Ghost. Jace calling Space Ghost.
Space Ghost here. Go ahead, Jace.
Some weird metal birds are attacking our communication satellite.
What do they look like? Never mind. Here comes one now. It's attacking. I'm putting the Phantom Cruiser on hover and ejecting. He wants to play rough. A blast of stun ray ought to stop him. He's coming back for more. I'll try to scare him off. Maybe he'll lead me to whoever's behind all this. Good. I'll switch to Inviso power and follow him.
One of my Metallohawks returns. Mission successful. 2 communication satellites destroyed. What's this? Someone is following the Metallohawk. Someone invisible. My energy silhouette scanner is the antidote for invisibility.
So that's where our big bird roosts.
Now, my silhouette beam ought to identify the invisible intruder.
This fellow has a lot of tricks in his bag.
I'd know that silhouette anywhere. Welcome, Space Ghost. You arrived just in time.
In time for what?
In time to see the execution of my plan. Simultaneous destruction of all communications everywhere. And then, complete takeover of the galaxy.
And I intend to change those plans.
Good work. He never expected a sneak attack. Bring him to me at once.
Whatever happened to Space Ghost must have happened in this section.
Here comes your friends. Look, Space Ghost. See how my bird pets guard me. Once my metal drill fastens onto something, it never lets go until it destroys it.
Jace, look out! They're coming from both sides!
Hang on, Jan.
Good work, Jace.
Don't rejoice too quickly, Space Ghost. Watch. One of my fastest Metallohawks. Let's see if they can evade it.
It's gaining on us, Jace!
Hang on again.
You've got him, Jace!
That's it. The skies are clear. Now to find Space Ghost.
Jace, we're caught! It didn't see us eject.
Stay close. We'll follow on Inviso power.
Well done. Now let's see what we've caught. Empty. Where are they?
Why don't you take a closer look?
It's Jan, Space Ghost. I'm hitting your power band.
Thanks, Jan.
Space Ghost, look out!
My pile driver ray will flatten him.
Bird guards! Bird guards!
A metal drill. Let him wear his beak out on my force field. let's go.
Bird guards!
Flip, that's enough. Flip!
What are we gonna do now, Space Ghost?
Get back to the Phantom Cruiser. Then we'll come back and clean up this bird's nest.
Including the #1 cuckoo.